All right, we're starting off with 2 cans of our sweetened condensed milk in our 9x13. Now I'm gonna add 6 ounces of my orange juice concentrate into our pan with our condensed milk. So that's about half of this little container. Now this might seem a little weird, but to offset all of that sweetness, we are gonna add a little bit of sour cream, about 3/4 a cup. I'm just eyeballing it. And once we have our sour cream in there, now I'm gonna bring in my orange and we're gonna zest our orange right into our pan. So we have our orange concentrate, our sweetened condensed milk, our sour cream, and now our orange zest for some delicious orange flavor. Now I am using obviously orange juice concentrate for this, but you can use lemonade concentrate, you can use limeade, you can use whatever of that juice concentrate you like, and then just zest whatever fruit there is. Look, we got a good amount of that zest on there, so let's make sure we get that into our pan. I'm gonna do a little bit more, and then we're gonna give this a good mix. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like freshly squeezed orange juice in here.
Yum.
All right, that looks great. Now I'm gonna come in with my whisk, and it is time to whisk this all together. Oh, look how beautiful that's coming together. We'll get like a little pale orange color once this is fully mixed together. Obviously, I'm doing this all in my pan, which I know is not everyone's favorite method, but you can mix this in a bowl and just dump it in, but I like to do it all in my pan. All right, and look how beautifully that came together. Go ahead and put this to the side and bring in our medium bowl. In our medium bowl, we're gonna add our super moist French vanilla cake mix. You can use whatever cake mix you like. I just think vanilla goes so well with the orange, kind of makes it more of like an orange creamsicle dessert instead of just flat out orange. And then we're gonna add 1 stick of butter right into our cake mix. I'm using salted, but you can use unsalted. I have my food grade glove on, and we're gonna go ahead and kind of smash our butter into our cake mix to make a crumble for our orange dessert. Oh my God, this is such an easy and quick recipe. You could literally make it in just a few minutes, pop it in the oven, and impress all of your guests. I love making this year round because who does not love orange and cream together? It is such an iconic combination. So we're just gonna go ahead and keep kind of blending this together until it is fully into a crumble. All right, and this is what we want our crumbles to look like. This is ready. We're gonna go ahead and bring back our orange concoction here, and we are going to sprinkle our crumbles right on top of that condensed milk orange mixture. We're gonna use this whole entire bowl, and this is just gonna be a delicious kind of crispy top. So it's almost like a cobbler, but so much easier to make. And we are just gonna keep distributing our cake mixture until we've used it up. All right, just finishing up that bowl. Beautiful, kind of give it a nice little spread from edge to edge. And now we can pop this in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. Oh my, this smells absolutely incredible. We got some nice browning on that cake mix, some bubbling on the sides. I cannot wait to give this a try. Oh. All right, we have a bowl. This is a spoon in a bowl kind of dessert. And we're gonna go ahead and scoop out.
Look at that.
Ooh, the mixture kind of like thickened up in there.
Nice.
Get a little bit more. And this is not complete without a little ready whip. And I'm ready to whip.
Good one.
The kids obviously love Ready Whip, but this is gonna be so good. You gotta make sure to get a little bit of everything in your bite. It's gonna be really hot, so I'm gonna blow on it.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness. Wow, that orange, so flavorful, so delicious, so bright. You guys are gonna love this.